Now children, today we are going to start with chapter 9, travel and transport. So in this chapter, we will study about the travel and transport. Basically, we have different means of transport: land transport, air transport and water transport. So let's study about the transportation system. Different means of transport are called what? Lifeline of a city. Transport means the way by which people and goods are moved from one place to another. With the help of it, what we do? We exchange our ideas and culture with other people. So means of transport in old times. In old time, people used to travel with the help of animals. And what different animals they use? Bullock carts, camel carts and tonga. Even today also, we can see these types of transport in the village. अभी भी आप देखेंगे कि villages में चलते हैं, ये आपके बुलक कार्ट हो गया, कैमल कार्ट हो गया, टोंगा हो गया, right? So vehicles without engine take a long time to cover a long distance. So where can we see camel carts? Camel carts आपको कहाँ देखने को मिलती है? In the deserts. Now different means of transport. First is land transport. What is land transport? Land transport are the transport that moves on land. It can be roads and railways, right? So it includes vehicle which moves on land like car, buses, motorbikes, scooters, rickshaw, truck, jeep, bicycle. These are the road vehicles. Trains are the part of the land transport which moves on tracks. So the passenger trains, good trains, local trains and metro trains. These are the different types of trains that we see over there. Right? Vande Bharat is currently the fastest train in India. Then we have water transport. What are water transport? Water transport are the transport that runs in water. So it is an olden means of transport. We travel by boat, steamers and ship. Ships and liners are large boats that travel in oceans. Water transport are slow but cheap. Slow तो होते हैं लेकिन सस्ते होते हैं, right? You can see here the different means of water transport. Now air transport. What are air transport? Fastest and the newest means of transport like aeroplanes, helicopters and rockets. These are the means of air transport. Aeroplanes carry both passengers and cargo. So you can see the different means of air transport. Now special transport. We have some special transport also like fire engine that is red in color. It has loud siren. It has to put out fire. Then we have police jeep. It has revolving light and a siren, and it is a jeep that is driven by the police. It is used to catch criminal. जैसे robber हो गया, कोई thief हो गया. Then we have ambulance. Ambulance is white in color. The word ambulance is written on it in mirror image. So it has loud siren. It is used to carry patients to the hospital. इसके लिए काम आती है ambulance. Patients को hospital में carry करने के लिए. These were the different means of transport. Hope you understood each and everything. Thank you for learning with me. Keep enjoying, keep learning. That's all for today.